Welcome to the future of technology. Today we're showcasing some incredible new gadgets that are changing the game. From bird-inspired drones to eco-friendly composters, these devices are designed to make your life easier and more exciting. First up, experience the wonder of biomimetic engineering with the Fly Ornithology Drone. Inspired by the flapping wings of birds, this drone offers ultra-stable and silent flight, perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage with unmatched realism. Upgrade your window treatments with the Switchback Curtain 3. This smart device automates your curtains, allowing you to schedule opening and closing times or control them remotely with your smartphone. Seamlessly integrate luxury into your smart home. For those with limited mobility, the Bruno Elite Curved Outdoor Stairlift provides a safe and comfortable solution for navigating curved staircases. Featuring a curved track, safety sensors, and a comfortable seat, it ensures independence and ease of access. Meet the ASTROBEE S1, your intelligent robot companion. This device understands voice commands, performs tasks like cleaning and playing music, and offers educational and interactive experiences for the whole family. Make fall cleanup a breeze with the Vento Rake. Utilizing a powerful air suction system, it effortlessly gathers leaves and debris, eliminating the need for strenuous raking and ensuring a clean yard with minimal effort. Achieve razor-sharp edges with the Wicked Edge UI64 Cobalt Sharpening System. This professional-grade system uses precision components and diamond-coated stones to deliver exceptional sharpening results for serious knife enthusiasts and chefs. Unleash your creativity with the 3DCMO Multi-Pro 3D printing pen. Draw in 3D, craft intricate models, repair objects, and create unique gifts. Easy to use and safe for all ages, it opens doors to endless creative possibilities. Struggling to hold your phone for long periods? The Ace Stand EDC phone stand is your solution. Ultra-portable and convenient, it folds flat to fit in your pocket, making hands-free viewing and phone accessibility easy on the go. Go green with the AlmaWay Composter. Transform food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden, reducing landfill waste and promoting healthier plants. Embrace a sustainable lifestyle with this easy-to-use composter. Introducing the Arctic Leo 3D Scanner, a versatile tool for capturing objects in stunning detail. Ideal for product design and healthcare, it offers high-resolution scanning and user-friendly software for efficient post-processing. From innovative drones to eco-friendly composters, these gadgets are here to enhance your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Comment below with your favorite gadget or any tech wonders you've discovered.